Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Sportsway podcast. We are having Govind Singh, an ardent CSK fan, and Kanishk, a die-hard supporter of Kolkata, today with us. So let's take it to the floor on the big grand finals of IPL 2021. So Govind, what do you feel?
Yeah,
CSK made it to the finals again,
yeah,
it again.
definitely they are winning, man. That's why they are the most consistent team in the IPL. Dhoni's magic we saw in the
Mm,
last match.
Kanishk, what are
no,
your
no, no,
views? I
no,
mean,
no,
like,
man. You just one match performance cannot be a magic, man. Come on, just one match performance. It cannot be a magic.
But
And
he's playing
yeah,
that innings in the crucial time now. That's
yeah,
important.
that's it's pleasing to watch as an Indian fan, but as an KKR fan, I don't think Dhoni stand a chance against a bowling lineup, the one that KKR has, and especially in Dubai, where the ground
Yeah,
is huge and KKR is playing three spinners, man. Come on, there is no chance CSK stands.
but again,
definitely.
today was a wake up call for
Yeah,
KKR, I guess. They were
Yeah,
almost struggling on the verge of getting knocked out. For such a
yeah.
feeble score, if they're struggling this much, I mean, CSK has a batting depth till Cherry, Shardul Thakur is in form. Everybody can bat.
No,
yeah,
it's not about batting. Actually, see what happened today was you're comparing the bowling attack of Delhi and CSK, which you cannot. CSK bowling attack this season hasn't been that deadly as compared to DC's. So I don't think that KKR is gonna choke against CSK's bowling attack. I mean, who is the consistent wicket taker there? Tell me one consistent wicket taker there.
Deepak Char, Shardul Thakur.
Yo, Deepak Char took 4 wickets in one match, then four in another. Then he
Like he's
hasn't done anything. Come on.
he is bowling economically now. Like in power play, he's doing his role. Like
Yeah,
he's
but
getting wickets in power play.
I agree that yeah, but he's not consistent. Nah. You take Ferguson on the other hand. He takes at least 1 wicket in each match. Can you say with assurance that I have a bowler who will come and take at least 1 wicket in each of the match?
Hazelwood is there. He's taking that.
Hazelwood is also not very consistent. I can agree that he is consistent, but not very consistent.
You cannot always count out Lord Shardul Thakur
Yeah,
any day. I mean, he comes in the depth and he takes wickets. Though he goes for runs, he gets you wicket.
yeah.
I agree. Yeah, Shardul, you can say Shardul is the one that is, carrying not carrying, but who has been performing as one of the best bowler for CSK this season. I mean, he's on top with 18 wickets, I guess, for 16 or 18 wickets, I guess.
Yeah,
Govind, do you think like what Ganesh is saying is true? I mean,
no,
like without such good bowling performance, I don't think CSK would have been the first team to
yeah,
get into the finals.
exactly.
Ah,
Like it's impossible to qualify without a good bowling lineup. Like they have been performing quite nicely.
Or can we call it Dhoni's tactics that got them here?
Yeah, definitely. The man behind the stumps.
yeah,
Ex-
What
the
are your views,
man.
Ganesh?
See, Dhoni is a good tactician, but I don't think that as a captain, your job is not just to provide tactics to your team. You cannot just lead with your tactics. And we have seen some tactics fail by CSK. By CSK versus I don't remember CSK versus Punjab, Dhoni bowled Jadeja just 1 over, whereas Jadeja is a very economical bowler in the middle overs. So we are seeing Dhoni, losing his edge nowadays. So you cannot be sure that CSK will win.
like
Are you saying
suddenly,
Dhoni is not a good captain?
No, no, man. Dhoni is a great captain. I agree that Dhoni is a great captain, but if you compare both the captains, Morgan and Dhoni, both hasn't delivered what was expected from them basically. So it boils down to the other players. And if you consider other players, I think KKR has been somewhat better than CSK as a team. I mean, they for CSK there are only two batsmen who has 500 plus score, just Rituraj Gaikwad and Faf du Plessis. Just two. Rest others are below 300. Whereas for KKR, all the four batsmen are contributing something. So you tell me which team has a more probability where there are
Okay,
four people to share the burden or just
Govind,
two?
can we say it like only the first two batsmen are enough to take the team through to the next round rather than
yeah,
depending upon the third and fourth person?
like in lower order, Jadeja is coming. He's smashing the ball hard. We have Ambati Raidu, Dhoni coming in, Bravo. Like they are doing their roles now. That's important. Like they are always getting to a decent score and they are
Yes,
able to defend it.
that's the only thing that is commendable about CSK, that when in the hour of need, somebody else other than Gaikwad and Faf step ups and do their part. That's the only thing that is commendable, but it's not necessary that it will happen in the final also.
See, the thing is, a team like CSK cannot be counted out at any point. I mean, we all saw how Pollard came in the last minute in the first phase for against CSK. That is
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
something
yes.
that you can always count on big match players. We have players like Russell, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina. These players cannot be out at any point of time. That is the thing about having experience in your side. And
Yeah, I
CSK, if
agree.
you take their average age, I don't have to comment on that, but we all
Yeah, I
know how
agree.
it
There
is.
are lot of experienced players.
Like it's all about controlling your nerves, and CSK has been better in that. Like we saw today only, like KKR almost choked out.
I
Like they needed around 11 runs on 20 balls.
Yeah.
This reminds me of Punjab getting choked.
Yeah.
That I was coming to that only actually. If you consider Punjab, there are only two players who have been performing at their best. That are Mayank and Rahul. Has Punjab
I
qualified?
think
No.
only Rahul is playing. I mean, he is batting, he is keeping, he is fielding, he is captaining. The
Yeah.
only thing he hasn't done yet is bowl.
I agree. I agree. And that's the one more reason that I don't want CSK to, and it's not CSK, especially Faf and Rituraj to score more runs. I don't want them to steal the orange cap from Rahul. That's one more reason. I'm a big Rahul fan as well, but KKR for the win, man, all the way.
Like but
So let's speak about KKR's captaincy. Do you think Owen Morgan deserves to lead the team, or should DK have been the captain?
No, man.
The change was
See,
unnecessary.
considering the first half where they lost 5 matches and from there making to the final of the IPL, I know Morgan as a captain and a batsman. As a batsman, he hasn't impacted much. As a captain, also, I think he had a little impact on the KKR, on the KKR team. I mean, if you consider last 2 seasons where Mumbai Indians won, Rohit Sharma as a batsman hasn't contributed much. I mean, he was better than Morgan, obviously, but still, the level of contribution that we expected from Sharma, it wasn't there. But still, MI won last 2 cups. So why cannot KKR do that in the Morgan's captaincy?
But speaking about MI's winning in the last season, if not for Rohit Sharma, they wouldn't have won, I guess, because in the IPL finals of 2020, he scored 73 of some feeble balls.
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
agree. On the final day, yeah, I agree. But
See, these are the things about big match players that we talk about. But I
yeah, I
don't
agree.
think Morgan is ready for that stage in Indian franchise cricket.
As, I mean, like you cannot completely say. I mean, he is in World Cup winner captain, man. Come on. I mean, like, okay, it's a 50-50 game, but still, he has experience at his back, at his hand. So I think he will be fine. But the question is, will he be retained? I don't think he will be retained, but I think he should be.
What is your view, Govind? I mean, DK or Morgan? What do you think about this dilemma?
Definitely DK, man. Like a captain is the one who leads from the front, and we are seeing all Morgan scoring 0, 0, 0. He's very consistent in that. Very consistent in this IPL.
So, I mean,
That's
apart
bad.
from the
That's bad.
scoring, what do you see about the difference in tactics? I mean, DK was playing Narayan up front. There has been a
Yeah.
change in that. Other than that, do you see any other tactical difference that Morgan brought in as a captain?
Yeah, he brought Venkatesh Iyer, and from that day, the team has changed. Like the way he's opening, the way he's batting is tremendously excellent. Like
Do
his
you
batting
think
Yeah,
skills are
he will
really
get
great.
an India call anytime soon?
Yeah, definitely, man. He deserves it.
Replacing who is the question?
Like this can't be said right now. Currently, we can't say. Like because Devdutt Particle is also in the line. Like he is also performed quite nicely.
I mean, the Indian front three, at least till the 2023 World Cup, is fixed. So I
Yeah,
don't know when
Definitely.
these guys are going to come in. I mean, the likes of Padikkal, Venkatesh Iyer, Shubman Gill, Prithvi
yeah,
Shah, Gaikwad.
yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely, we can't have a call on this. Like,
So
but in
let's talk
small
about,
tours, they can definitely get a chance.
yeah, probably after the T20 World Cup, maybe they'll start
Yeah.
experimenting. Talking about Dhoni, what do you think? Like, is Dhoni still the most and the best and the successful captain, or is he like taking his time off, or is his tactics failing? Any views, Govind?
No, man, his tactics are definitely not failing. Otherwise, he would not have been in the final.
But
Like,
Ganesh thinks otherwise, I guess.
Yeah,
like if you see
definitely,
that
man.
match, RCB one match. Like when Jadeja was bowling, the way he was telling Jadeja where to ball and he got out, Maxwell, clean bowled. That was something great.
Yeah, I didn't say that his tactics are failing. I just think that he's losing an edge. He's not the same tactician as he used to be. I'm saying that. And plus, I mean, like guys, it's I think it's time for Dhoni to, and like I know it would be really perfect if CSK wins and Dhoni retires. But I'm sorry to say, Govind, that is not going to happen.
That's definitely gonna happen.
So Ganesh for the KKR win.
Man, yeah, man, that team deserves it. I think that team deserves it. That team has more stability than CSK at this point, I think.
So are you saying CSK is not worthy enough to win a title?
I'm not saying not worthy enough, but see, there are just two teams and you have to choose one. So I'm just choosing one and giving my reason for it. And that is the stability which matters a lot when you are when you're playing cricket. You see DC match today. DC, nobody was stable enough there was no one to anchor the innings for DC. That's why they couldn't score big runs. That thing CSK also lacks. That's my point.
No, man, definitely CSK does not lag. Like
But
if we see
CSK has
Rishabh
players
Pant
for that,
captaincy
but they
and
are not
Dhoni's
doing that.
captaincy, there is a big difference between them. Like in the last match only, he should have given the ball to Rabada, but he gave to Tom Curran,
Yeah,
and we saw the result.
that was a really I don't know what was Rishabh Pant thinking, man, giving the ball to Tom Curran.
Like today also, he sends Stoinis up the order.
But
Like
Pant is someone who is going to fit into MSD's shoes, and probably he is one of the youngsters who's backed to be the next vice captain of the Indian team. What do you guys think? Can he replace MSD's legacy? Can he fit in his shoes?
definitely not.
No, he has,
Definitely not.
but not definitely. Give him time. Like he is still young. I mean, he has had an exposure, but in 3 to 4 years, we will know that whether the definite answer. We will get it in three
Like
to four
if
years.
we like if we see his Pant innings, like some have been incredible one, but after
Yeah,
that he fails miserably. Like
See,
one
the
good
one
innings
thing
and 10
about Pant
failures.
is he is learning. Initially,
yeah.
if you
Yeah,
see, it was just his leg flick that got him either runs or his wickets. It was always a
yeah,
leg flick. But
yeah,
these
yeah.
days he's playing around the park and he's knocking it out. So let's
Fun.
talk about the finals. I mean, like we are almost on the verge of our seats. The one grand finale is pending.
Yeah.
CSK is a very mighty team which we have known through the years. KKR, we can't always count them out. They have good players. Shakib, Narain, Venkatesh
Yeah,
Iyer
man,
is
the X
creating
Factor.
triples across the industry right now.
Like Varun
Yes,
So
yes.
Chakravarti, the main bowler.
obviously, Varun Chakravarti is in sizzling form. He is the main bowler for India in World Cup,
See,
I guess.
that's
Yeah.
my whole point. That KKR has at this point has many match winners, just like MI has. So CSK doesn't have those. They have those kind of players on paper, but the question is, have they been performing? Moeen Ali's second phase hasn't been that good. I don't think. Dhoni
Yeah.
was like neutral in first phase and second phase also. And in middle order, they have tried Raina, Uthappa, and Raidu. All of them are inconsistent. One day they will woke up and score runs, then they will go to sleep.
Do
This is
you
what is
think
happening.
Pujara will make a debut in finals?
Nah,
No, 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 no.
considering Dhoni is losing his edge, I don't think. I think that Dhoni can give him a chance.
No, no, man, definitely not. Like
We don't know
Othappa
anything
has
for
been
sure
striking
about
the ball
T20.
quite well.
Yeah, that's the best part about T20, that you don't know anything until the last ball is bowled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And knowing Chennai and Dhoni and being a Mumbai fan, I know how thrilling a contest can go in IPL finals when
Yeah.
Dhoni is there.
Absolutely, absolutely.
But thanks to Lord Shardul Thakur, we won that match that day.
Lord
Lord,
Shardul would be a game changer. Like
Lord,
Again,
that's why
like
he's included in the team.
Shardul Thakur has got into the Indian team, guys.
Yeah.
He
yeah,
replaced Akshar Patel.
yeah. I mean, I like Shardul has been performing, but I don't know replacing Akshar was a good decision or not.
Why do you say so?
I mean, if what's the point of bringing in Shardul? For like, what's the purpose if you select him in the playing 11? In place of whom you will select him, and what will be his role in the team?
Like probably in place of Hardik Pandya because he's not able to bowl till now. This
Hardik
can
is.
be the
I
only
don't
reason.
think there is a team with Hardik in playing 11. I don't think there is a
Yeah.
team
But
as of
Hardik
now.
I
Pandya
think
as a
Hardik
batsman,
Pandya is somebody without whom the core team is not going to go into the playing 11.
yeah, yeah.
And
But
Shardul Thakur can be one among the three bowlers, actually. Three pacers we are going to take anyway. So
yeah, yeah.
Shardul can come as a one bowling all rounder. I mean, he hits the ball out. And
Yeah.
he has experience of hitting it outside Sharjah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, everywhere.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
he will be a value addition.
he will be a value addition, but there is one more thing that we have seen, that in the UAE pitches, that spinner gets help in the, as the tournament progress. Spinner will definitely get help. So like in the later phases of the World Cup, where India is known for choking in the semi-finals and finals, I think at that point spinners will be more valuable.
All right, let's get back to the finals, which is the topic of conversation. I mean, let's
Yes,
speak about the spinners in the finals. Do you
yeah.
Yeah.
think Jadeja will play a more impactful role or Varun Chakravarti will play a more impactful role?
Definitely Jadeja.
It's I mean, I am a KKR fan, so I'll definitely side with Varun Chakravarti, and you cannot you cannot count out Sunil Narayan as well. But
Yeah.
Jadeja is the player who is economical in middle orders. So like as a KKR fan, I am really threatened by Jadeja's those 4 overs by Jadeja. They will really stop us.
All right, let's
Like
talk
it's
about
3 versus 1.
predictions. Let's talk about the predictions. Like, what is the score that you're going to expect in the finals? I mean, team batting first. This is the score they should set so they could defend, beat CSK or KKR.
160 odd runs would be
Ganesh?
an
If KKR is batting first and considering the ground Dubai, I think KKR has the potential to go above 170 and 180.
Okay, so Kanashk and Govind. I mean, give me
yeah.
a honest predictions, leaving aside your loyalty to the teams.
If you ask an honest prediction, I think in Dubai 150 is a average score there. So like 150 to 160 would be okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a
And
Like
defendable
it's a
score
big ground, you have to run hard. Everything will be there.
for which Dhoni is clearly old enough.
You have seen him running. What do you think?
I have seen him running, but still, I have told you he's losing his edge. Let's bet now. I bet that Dhoni will get run out in the final if he comes to bat. Let's bet.
Yes, let's
I'm
bet
ready
it.
to bet.
Yeah,
If
let's hope
he
it
definitely.
doesn't,
doesn't
I'll
come to
I'll
that
post
end.
on my Instagram story that CSK is the best if Dhoni doesn't get run out.
Let's end this on a bet. I mean, let's just hope it doesn't come out to that. I don't want Dhoni to go out on that legacy. We don't know for sure if he's going to play next year or not with the
Yeah,
options and everything coming into play.
I know.
Let's hope the legend gets what he deserves.
That's
Yes.
the main thing.
All right,
Thanks,
guys.
Arun.
Thank you for signing into the podcast today. Thank you, Govind. Thank you, Kanishk. Let's
Thank you.
hope the better team wins on the final day.
Yes.
Yes,
We
of course.
know
May the
you both
best
are going
man
to
win.
say CSK is going to win or KKR is going to win. So I'll say the better team wins. Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
Shravan.